Hey everyone, welcome to the How to PC channel. In this tutorial video, I would like to show you how you can easily play Top Squads Battle Arena on your PC or laptop. Top Squads is a mobile game, and now this game is available in Play Store and App Store, and this game now isn't available on PC, but I have a way how you can play it on your PC right now. Well, to play this game on your PC, you need to install an Android emulator, such as LD Player, for example, I use it, or BlueStacks, or another Android emulator. To download it, you need to go to your browser and type in the search box the name of the necessary Android emulator, in our case LD Player. And now just go to their official website to install it on your computer or laptop. There is the download button, just click on it, and now in the download history you'll see the LD Player 9 installer. Run it, and after that install it on your PC. Now on your desktop you'll see this icon, you can easily run it, double click on it, and then you'll see this window. This is like a virtual mobile phone on your PC, and of course you can easily download any Android apps on it. To do it, you need to open up the System Apps folder and go to Play Store. Of course you have to log in or just create a new account, and now at the very top you can find the search box. Let's type here Top Squads, and then you'll see the necessary game, Top Squads Battle Arena. Click on it, and now tap on the install button. The game's weight is 500 megabytes. It's not a big game, but anyway we need to wait a bit. Now the game is installed and we can launch it. Let's click on the play button to start playing the game, and here it is. Let's click on the start game. As you can see, the game works correctly. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the How to PC channel and put a like under this video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.